Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this channel we talk about topics such as business, entrepreneurship, and side hustles. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how to find vendors for free using Alibaba. So if you don't know, Alibaba is the world's #1 source for wholesale products and it's based out of China. Things that you can find on Alibaba include a wide variety. You can find clothing, you can find hair, you can find electronics, you can find kitchenware. You can pretty much find every single thing that you need on Alibaba. So I'm going to break down in the simplest way of how you can actually find products on there. Some of the key things we're going to go over is different ratings for the factories, how to find out if Alibaba has been to the factory to inspect it or not, how to find out that it's an actual factory and not just a middleman. We're going to go over what trade insurance is. We're going to go over the different ratings that they have on Alibaba as far as how to find out if they normally send their customer orders out on time, how long they've been in business. We're going to go over trending items. And last but not least, we're also going to go over how to find out how much volume that vendor is doing. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned and we're going to head right over to Alibaba and I'm going to start walking you through step by step of how to use Alibaba in the simplest way. So stay tuned. Now we have Alibaba.com all pulled up. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and explore the home page. So as you can see on their main page, it has what they recommend. So they have luxury hair extensions. And then we're going to look at their markets. So in the My Market section, it's going to show you all the categories that Alibaba offers. So the first one we have is consumer electronics. So you can see that's your camera, your chargers, your headphones, your electronic cigarettes, your computer hardware. So everything in the electronic category. Then we have apparel, baby clothes, men clothes, women clothes, ethnic clothes. We have vehicle parts and accessories, sports and entertainment, machinery, home and garden, beauty and personal. And then once you go to the all categories, then it's going to show you every single category that Alibaba offers. Now, the next thing we're going to pay attention to is the new arrivals. So the new arrivals is perfect for people, especially if you do Amazon FBA, then you want to make sure you're on top of the new products that they're releasing. So you can see that the first thing that they're offering is, of course, the replica Jordans. They have championship rings. And then since summer is coming up, they do offer electric bikes. We have their top ranked products, which you can see they have the AirPods, hair extensions, well, a wig specifically, personal protection equipment. They offer drop shipping, global original sources, TrueView. Then also if you want to customize your own products, they also have categories for that. Ready to ship products. So those are products that as soon as you order them on Alibaba, they can be shipped out within the next 24 hours. Well, in this case, they do say within the next 15 days, but normally mine is shipped out within the next 24 hours. And then this is just more stuff that they offer. Now, we're going to actually search some stuff so I can show you what exactly the product pages look like. And since I sell hair extensions, we're going to search Virgin hair extensions. Okay, so this is how the page looks. As you can see, they're having a March Expo sale, which that's kind of outdated because now it's April. So we're going to scroll down the page, and as you can see, they're offering a bunch of different hair extensions. Now I'm going to point out exactly what everything on this page means. So the first thing I want to point out to you is trade assurance. So trade assurance is when you order from Alibaba and they make sure that you get a product that matches the description. So if you get a product and you don't like the quality, you can contact trade insurance, submit a claim, and you can possibly get your money back. Then also they make sure that you get your product in a timely manner. So if you don't get your product at all, you can contact them, submit a claim, get your money back. So trade insurance is very important. The next thing we want to pay attention to is the verified supplier. So the verified supplier means that Alibaba actually sent whatever team they have to the factory of the supplier to do an inspection. So you'll notice that a lot of these vendors have verified suppliers. That means that Alibaba actually went to their factory and verified this is a legit company and it meets their standards. So the next thing that they have is the less than 1 hour response time, which most of the time Alibaba is on a different time zone than us. So that I don't really pay attention to that, but you can if you're up late at night and you want to make sure that you find someone who responds right away. So the next thing we're going to pay attention to is this crown right here. So that crown means that this seller is running an ad on Alibaba. So that's why they're showing up first. So if you come down here, so it's a top sponsor listing. So they're running an ad. That doesn't mean that they're the best. Now, the next thing we want to pay attention to is we're going to look at this section right here. So the first thing, verified supplier, we already went over what that meant. 2 years means that they've been in business for 2 years. And if you can see on all the suppliers, it tells you how many years they have all been in service. So you see 2 years, 9 years, 1 year, 10 years, 5 years, 1 year. Okay, and then we have CN. So CN means that this is a Chinese supplier. And you'll be able to choose the different countries that you want your products to come from. But for hair extensions, it's mostly China, India, Cambodia, wherever you want your hair extensions to come from. Then the next thing we're going to pay attention to is these diamond things. So Alibaba ranks their sellers from it's 1 diamond to 5 diamonds. Well, sometimes if they have a perfect score, you can even get 6 diamonds. So I'm going to actually click the diamond so I can show you exactly what the rating system is. So that's their Supplier Online Performance Index. As you can see, it has level 0, level 1, all the way up to level 5. And it says the lowest score of the 4 dimensions is taken as their SOPI. So it ranks them on presentation quality, transaction volume, product popularity, and service quality. And you can get a better description on what all these means. Once you click this page, you can go ahead and read through them. And it tells you how each of the categories are ranked. So to be safe, I like to go with products that are level 3 and up. But this is completely up to you because as long as you make sure you have the trade insurance, once you get your product, you can see if you like it or not to see if you want to eventually get your money back. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this page and go back to the main page. So I'm going to actually find a supplier and we're going to look at the detailed screen. So here's a very familiar supplier. This is KBL, K-Blue. So we're going to select them. Oh, and then another thing, one thing about K-Blue, since they've been on here for 11 years, you can see that they actually have reviews. So they have 4.8 stars. So we're going to go ahead and select them. As you can see, they have 5 diamonds. Let's go ahead and dissect their page. Okay, so for this specific supplier, so we can see they have 119 reviews, 4.78 stars, and a total of 884 buyers. Now we're going to go down and see everything that they offer. So they offer different lengths, 4 inches through 40 inches. Oh, I've never seen 4-inch bundles, but they offer it up to 40 inch. They offer samples. Okay, estimated time 3 days to be negotiated. Okay, and they said they are willing to do customized packaging. All you have to do is order 1 piece. They can do custom graphics for you. Let's see, more customized logo for you. And all of these, you want to pay attention to this portion. It says all you have to order is 1 piece in order to get it customized. And then we have Alibaba Freight. So what Alibaba Freight means that they offer it either by air or they offer it by sea. And that's usually depending on the weight of your order. So for their protection, they do offer trade insurance, on-time dispatch guarantee, and refund policy. Very important. So now we're going to go over here to their verified. They are a verified supplier. As you can see, they have the CN, which means they're a Chinese company. They've been in They've been in business for 11 years. Their average response time is less than 6 hours. Their on-time delivery rate is 99.8%. The number of transactions that they had. So that is 1,873 transactions of over $2.7 million. How many employees they have, their global export expertise, total trading staff 33. So based on this, we're going to look at these reviews too. But based on what we're seeing here, they have a 4.78 rating, 119 reviews, 884 buyers. They offer Alibaba Freight. They offer trade insurance. They're a verified seller. They have a good response rate, good delivery time frame, good amount of transactions, good amount of dollars spent. This will be a good company to order from because you know it's going to be a safe buy. But we're going to also take a look at their reviews. And let's see. Most of them are 5-star reviews. I received the wig I ordered today. Thank you, Aaron. Aaron is sweet. Responds very quickly. Love it. No bad spells. Great product. Okay, and as you can see, most of this is coming from the United States. One of the things that I like to look for when I look at reviews, I also like to check out the bad ones too. So we're going to see what the bad reviews say. Okay, so this person says they didn't receive, and then this person has a 1-star, and that was back in 2020. Now let's look at the person that gave them a 2-star. The service and delivery time is great, but product not so much. The blonde bundles look great until you apply a toner or co-wash. Lots of shedding. Do not recommend for professional hair business. And then they also provided pictures. And one thing that I like to say when it comes to Alibaba is, since a lot of people are ordering on here, you see that they only have 118, they had 119 reviews before this reset. You want to make sure you're doing your due diligence for other people. So when you order, you also leave your reviews. And one of the things that I also like to pay attention to is when I'm ordering from different suppliers, is that their main pictures. I like to make sure that if it's a Chinese supplier, I at least need to see a Chinese person. So they're going to show you pictures of the bundles. And as you know, like, just be aware that sometimes, like, if you see someone, like, clearly this is not a Chinese person, that this may or may not be their hair. So just pay attention to that as well. And then they have different reviews, which KBL is pretty much a trusted vendor. So they have a lot of their reviews. A lot of people do send in reviews for their company. More of their packaging, which you can expect. Okay, they have their factory. Then with different customers, their warehouse. Then their fast delivery. Okay, and you can also see, company highlights. Kabaloo. This is what it looks like when you go to China.
Trading Company Limited is a professional hair company of human hair. It's located in Guangzhou.
Employees, staff.
We have more than 11.
Okay, let's see. Product details. Shows you everything about the hair. Company profile. More pictures.
There are different departments in the big office.
Transactions.
More than 100 staffs.
You can see in March they got the most transactions. Quantities. And this just shows you what everyone else is buying. And then their buyer reviews, which we already went over. So now we're going to go back to the home page. So we're just going to look at some other products that Alibaba offers, just so you can get a good feel for it. So let's say if we go to the customized product section. Let's go to top ranking suppliers. Let's see, what product do we want to click on? I'm not liking any of these products. Okay, top for repeat buyers. And you will notice that a lot of these repeat buyers, like they can do, like especially Amazon FBA. So they'll be ordering a whole bunch of products at once. And then you can get your logo on them. And I want to show you the MOQs for some of these. Okay, top for design services. Let's do this one. So as you can see, with something like this, you can get your product customized. Minimum order 1 piece. Okay, so to get the customized logo on it, you'll have to order 1,000 pieces. Yep, so same with the logo, packaging, graphics, you'll need to order 1,000 pieces. Then they also have their information here. Okay. And that's pretty much it for the Alibaba tutorial. Just so you know what everything means on here, make sure you get trade insurance, pay attention to the reviews, how long they've been in business, if they're actually a verified seller, meaning that Alibaba has sent their workers out to their factory to verify that it's real. And yeah. So I hope you found this video helpful today. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop that in the comment section below. Also, if you want to see more videos like this where I walk you through step by step of how to use websites like Alibaba, make sure you drop that in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media channels. I'm Destiny Adams on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, pretty much everything. I have a free Facebook group where you can also promote your own products, say hello to the group. And that's listed in the comment section below. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel first, and then stay tuned for the next video. Peace.